If you've been waiting for the one that has it all, then get ready to fall in love with the home lovingly known as the Ace in beautiful Jupiter, Florida. Nestled on a cul-de-sac on a private half-acre lot in a gated community, the Ace is truly untouchable and offers an indoor and outdoor oasis like no other. And yes, it does have a tennis court. Come on in and let me show you around. Inside, we have 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, solid concrete block construction, a newer roof, impact windows, and upgrades galore. But wait till you see the outside. Located in one of the most ideally located and coveted neighborhoods in all of Jupiter, the Ace at 113 Victorian Lane is game, set, match right from the start.